Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to merge objects in Bambu Studio. So let's get straight into it. Now let's say we have or you have already on the plate two objects, for example, like you see here on my screen. Now what we need to do is basically to select both of these objects. We will press shift and then with left click on the mouse drag this green, uh, as you can see, square here uh, through all of the objects, and now as you can see they are both selected. Right click now with your mouse, and what we are going to do next is right click, and you will need to see something like that. So you need to see here this merge. Click on that, and just like that now they are both objects as one. If you click on one, they will both be highlighted. And this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.